Welcome to 7 Dellwood Lane, where you will find pond access with this 1 acre that also has a great detached 30 by 30 workshop with power and water. This home has 4 bedrooms with a split floor plan and 3.5 baths. Hardwood laminate flooring with a 12-foot smooth ceiling in the great room. The great room also has a fireplace. 9-foot ceilings are in the remainder downstairs. The kitchen has granite countertops, cabinets with hidden hinges, and tile flooring. The master has a deluxe master bath and walk-in closet. There is a formal dining room, bonus room with a full bath, laundry room, half bath for guests, and a 2-car side entrance garage. This pre-custom built, one-owner home in 2009 has a covered back porch and a patio. This is a great country neighborhood, but also convenient to town and Shaw. The seller to provide a 1-year home warranty for the buyer. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The great room has a 12-foot smooth ceiling with a ceiling fan, hardwood laminate floors, a fireplace, and measures 20 feet 10 inches by 16 feet 8. The dining room has hardwood laminate floors, a vaulted ceiling, a large arched window, chair railings, and measures 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 6. The eat-in area and kitchen have tile flooring. The eat-in area of the kitchen measures 10 feet 6 inches by 8 feet and has tile flooring. The kitchen has granite countertops, cabinets with hidden hinges, tile flooring, and measures 12 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 6. The kitchen appliances also remain with the home. They include the refrigerator, range, microwave, and dishwasher. The mud area has tile floors and measures 9 feet 5 inches by 7 feet 10. Access to the garage, laundry room, master bedroom, half bath, and 4th bedroom are located in this area. The master has carpet, a ceiling fan, a deluxe master bath, a walk-in closet, a separate sitting area, and measures 15 feet 2 inches by 12 feet 8. The sitting area in the master measures 9 feet by 7 feet 2 inches. The master bath has tile floors, a jetted tub, a separate shower, dual sinks, and measures 12 feet 4 inches by 9 feet 5. The master walk-in closet has carpet, built-in shelves, and measures 8 feet 1 inch by 6 feet 1. The half bath is located off the mud area. It has tile floors, a pedestal sink, a toilet, and measures 7 feet 3 inches by 3 feet 7. The laundry room is located off the mud hall. It has tile floors, cabinets, a washer and dryer hookup, and measures 8 feet 4 inches by 8 feet 2. The guest hall is located off the great room.